The UpScrolled app describes itself as a social media space where every user's voice holds equal weight. It promises no hidden restrictions, no algorithm driven manipulation, just a straightforward place to share thoughts, photos, and videos genuinely with your community. It sounds appealing, but the important question remains, is it actually trustworthy? Let's take a closer look. First, a positive point. The app is accessible on both the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. This means it's available for Android and iOS users and has passed basic review standards for security and functionality set by each platform. Being listed there does add a degree of credibility and makes installation straightforward. Another good sign is UpScrolled's active presence on social media, including Facebook and Instagram. This allows users to stay updated, interact with the brand, and seek support publicly. Active engagement like this often indicates a company that values user feedback and aims to build trust. Third, the platform is transparent about its leadership. The founder and CEO is named as Issam Hijazi. Having an identified founder adds a personal touch and a sense of accountability. It's reassuring to know there's a real person behind the vision. Fourth, the company provides multiple contact options, an email address, a phone number, and a physical business address. Offering several ways to reach support shows a commitment to user assistance and operational transparency. Now, regarding user reviews on the Play Store, feedback is mixed. Some users praise UpScrolled as a refreshing, simple alternative to larger platforms like Instagram. However, others report issues such as being unable to send images, videos, or voice messages in direct messages. Problems with the feed refreshing, search functionality not working correctly for usernames, and videos failing to load. This suggests the app has potential but is still working through technical bugs and feature gaps. So, is UpScrolled legitimate? Based on our evaluation, yes, it appears to be a genuine platform. It has clear leadership, available support channels, official App Store listings, and an active social media presence. These are all positive indicators. However, it's important to note that the app is still evolving. Users report various glitches and missing features, meaning the experience may not be seamless yet. In summary, UpScrolled is a real and promising social app, but be prepared for some imperfections as it continues to develop. Thanks for reading. If you found this helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, and enable notifications for more straightforward app reviews and updates.